Hey, this guy's made an origami from this huge ass piece of paper. Okay, show him, bro. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Okay. Yeah, so it's pretty huge. It's actually a huge ass size of cartolina. Show the whole thing, bro. I mean the cartolina. Spread it out. Like the whole thing. Yeah. Pretty huge, huh? Yeah. And you actually fold it into this thing. Pretty cool. Okay. I think we're done. Bye.